Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is main and auxiliary verbs. Children, do you remember what are verbs? Verbs are doing words. Verbs can be divided as main verb and auxiliary verb, often known as helping verbs. Let us see an example. Rohit is sleeping. What action is Rohit doing here? He is sleeping. Therefore, sleeping is the main verb. What is the use of is in the sentence? Is helps the main verb show that the action is in the present time and is continuing right now. So, is the helping verb, also known as the auxiliary verb. Now, let's take another example. They were playing football. Here, playing is the action being done. So, playing is the main verb. Were is the helping verb and tells us that the action is being done in the past. Auxiliary verbs can also tell us that the sentence is negative or it is a question. Let us look at some examples. Is he going to school? Here is helps us to know that it is a question. He did not talk to me. Here did not shows that it is a negative sentence. Should I open the box? Here should is the auxiliary verb or helping verb and open is the main verb. You may go now. Here may is the auxiliary verb and go is the main verb. Now let us look at different usage of have as an auxiliary verb. In the first case, have is used as the main verb. They have a pet dog. Here have is the main verb. And how would you know this? Here no other verb is being done. So have acts as a main verb. Now let us see a second example. Have is the auxiliary verb here. We have bought a new house. Here bought is the action being done and is the main verb. If we write we have a new house, the sentence is grammatically correct, but the meaning changes. We no longer know that the house is being bought. So we have to write that we have bought a new house. So children, always remember that when have is used as an auxiliary verb, it is always teamed up with another verb to create a complete verb phrase. Now let us look at the second auxiliary verb, be. Is the form of be. He is lazy. Here, is again the main verb as there is no action being done. Look at the second example. He is reading a book. Here, reading is an action being done. So, it is the main verb and is the auxiliary verb. Let us see some more example. He is running. Here, is the helping verb which is used with the main verb, that is running. Now, let us learn about another auxiliary verb, that is do. Did is the form of do. He did his job well. Here, did is used as the main verb as that is the only action verb in the sentence. He didn't go to school. Here, go is clearly the main verb, so didn't is used as an auxiliary verb. Children, did not win. Here, did not is the auxiliary verb and win is the main verb. So children, let us summarize what we have learnt. Auxiliary verbs are used together with a main verb to show the verb's tense or to form a negative or question. Auxiliary verbs are also known as helping verbs. For example, can the baby walk? The baby is sitting. Here, can is used as a verb and is used as a helping verb. Children, with this I conclude my class. We will meet again in the next class. Till then children, stay home, stay safe.